Photoleap AI is one of the most exciting AI software releases right now. And if you're curious about how it can transform your digital creativity, you're in the right place. Stick around as I walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Photoleap AI and why it's quickly becoming a game changer for creatives. First off, Photoleap AI is a powerful, easy-to-use tool designed to help you edit photos with stunning results using cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this software makes advanced photo editing feel intuitive. You don't need to be an expert to create jaw-dropping images, and it offers a wide range of tools that can elevate your creativity to new heights. Now, let's talk about its most impressive feature, AI-powered image enhancement. The software automatically analyzes your photos and intelligently applies adjustments to improve color, sharpness, and contrast. It's like having a professional editor at your fingertips, instantly improving your images without hours of manual work. Another major selling point is Photoleap AI's ability to generate art from scratch. If you want to transform a simple photo into something that looks like a digital painting or add unique artistic elements to your images, this software does it seamlessly. You can explore different styles and themes with just a few clicks. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their visuals with minimal effort. One of the standout tools is its AI-based background removal feature. With just one click, Photoleap can accurately detect the subject in your photo and remove the background. This is especially useful if you're working on design projects, product photography, or social media posts. The precision and speed are remarkable, making it ideal for people who need quick edits without compromising quality. The software is also packed with templates, filters, and creative effects that take your photo editing to the next level. If you need inspiration or want to speed up your workflow, the built-in templates give you a great starting point. You can apply these effects across different genres. Whether you're going for a vintage look, modern flair, or even a futuristic vibe, Photoleap AI also shines in its user-friendly interface. While many advanced photo editing tools can be overwhelming, this software has a clean, intuitive design that makes the learning curve almost non-existent. Whether you're editing on desktop or mobile, it feels fluid and responsive. Plus, the software is optimized for both casual users and professionals, offering flexibility no matter what your editing needs are. Now, the best part, Photoleap AI is offering a completely free trial. That means you can test it out for yourself before committing to any subscription. Just hit the link below and see how this tool compares to others you've tried in the past. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and this one definitely stands out for its ease of use and versatility. To wrap up, Photoleap AI is a must-try if you're serious about elevating your photo editing. With its intuitive AI features, powerful editing tools, and creative flexibility, it's quickly becoming one of the best just-released AI software options available right now. And, as promised, I've linked my recommended AI software list in the description below. These are the tools that have worked best for me, and I think you'll love them too. Try Photoleap AI for free today and see what it can do for your creativity.